Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Birchbox unboxing. Hope you guys can see me well. So this is this month's box. It's a really nice box. Turn it upside down this way. Really love the design on this box. Really cute. Definitely going to keep this box. So let's open it. I'm going to do a quick unboxing because it's quite late. And this month's box is called Summer Lovin'. Loving it, loving it. Let's see what they have inside and talk about it a little bit as we go along. So we're going to jump right in to this month's box. And first off, I see a cream or something here, and it's called Polar, hope I'm saying that right, Polar Lovin' Light Soothing Cream. And this is regularly £38, guys, £38.68. And it is rich in Siberian olive, and it's 100% natural salicylic acid. Ooh, so I can't wait to try this out. It says massage into cleansed skin each morning, and it improves texture, target fine lines, and restore radiance while protecting your skin from urban pollution. Let's see if we can smell this here. Oh, it's closed. Let's try and open it a bit. See if it smells very chemically or sweet. Let's put a little bit on. I love to try out new products, guys. If you haven't known, I'm a very obsessed, not obsessed, but I really love skincare. That's gonna smell really nice on your face, and it dries really quickly as well and doesn't feel sticky or tacky. So I'm really excited to try this out. I might try this out tomorrow actually for the weekend while I'm doing my DIY facials. I like to do facials on the weekend. So next we have on the moticals, I think I'm saying that right, the Great British Flake Off. In England we have this thing called the Great British Bake Off. This one says it's the Great British Flake Off. Get rid of the flaky skin. I get it. It's really good. And it says a summer strawberry body scrub. So I got the summer one, the strawberry one. Sorry, this is what it looks like. And it says this one is regularly £1.50. This is a full-size product, guys. So we've got 3 full-size products this month, which I'm very excited about. And yeah, so this one's normally £1.50, which is, I think, it's a great price. And it says it's a summery smelling scrub, which we all need right now. I love the smell of this strawberry, so nice. And it says it makes your skin feel its best. It's very gentle but contains a sweet almond oil and glycerin to help deep hydrate and smooth the skin. It buffs and exfoliates the skin, and it makes your skin very soft and silky. My kind of treat, my kind of thing. I might put this into my baby bag actually when I'm going to the hospital. It doesn't look, I can kind of see through it, so I'm not sure if it's full size all the way up to the top like full product, but yeah, it is 50 milliliters, so I'm very excited to try this one out. Really love their stuff from this brand. Next is another full-size product, as I saw earlier, just now on the paper. I mean, it is for £2.50, right, full size, and it's Love, Beauty and Planet, the tropical hydration coconut oil and ylang ylang shower gel, which is going to be another one I can't wait to try out. There's a few shower gels today, shower scrubs. Let's smell this one. I love it. It smells very fresh. Oh, and it says it's vegan friendly. I like vegan stuff. Like, people think vegan stuff don't work, but I think they actually do work for my skin anyway, because I've got sensitive skin. So I really love this. It says it's from an island fresh feel, and it got coconut oil. I love coconut oil, so definitely going to be trying out this shower gel. And £2.50 I think is a bargain. And it also says here it makes your skin feel renewed and recharged like when you use it. So, and it lingers all day. Definitely can't wait to try these two out. I love anything to do with body and bathing and just scrubbing everything off and just feeling nice and fresh at the end of the day or the beginning of the day. And Yeah, thank you, Birchbox. I've never tried any of these types of things, so I'm super excited. Next, we have a Balance Me Natural Skincare Hyaluronic Plumping Mist, and this is 99% natural. Can't smell anything. Let's spray it and see. Just put it on my hand. This superfine mist blends hydrating and plumping hyaluronic acid with soothing chamomile water in a tropical potion that improves skin with every spritz. So you can use it to revive in the afternoon or to calm your skin complexion after too much sun. The instant shot of hydration will leave you looking brighter and healthier. So I really can't wait to try this out. It sounds really, really interesting. Um, Very interesting product right here. This is regularly £18, guys. So this definitely is a sample size here. And they said 1 gram of hyaluronic acid can hold up to 6 liters of water. Okay, 6 liters of water and just a little bit of this. So yeah, definitely if you have dry skin or any problem with skin during the summer, I think this is worth a try. And I'll definitely let you guys know if it works on my beauty page on Instagram. Lastly, we have a full-size product from Model Co, and it's called Mermaid Glow Highlighter. Okay, regularly £10. And it says add a little magic to your makeup with this pearlescent highlighter. And it said don't let the pastel shades scare you. The multicolored hues can be swirled together to create a perfect ethereal glow in seconds. It's got like this protective thing over it. I need to take it off because I want to try. Ooh. It says buff of your cheekbones onto your high points of your face using a fluffy brush. Let's just give it a swatch for you guys. Ooh. Let's see. Put a bit on my nose there. Gives it a little bit of highlight. You guys can see there's a difference there. But I'm definitely going to try this out with brush. I'm not too keen on this kind of colours, but we will see what it looks like. If not, I'll definitely put this into a giveaway box. I've got a giveaway coming up very soon, so somebody will definitely love this if it doesn't suit me. Yeah, so look out for that. If you see this stuff that's half swatched in any giveaway, it's just because it doesn't match my skin tone, guys. So yeah, anyways, there's a leaflet in this box. I'm not sure what it is, and you always get these little things. My kids love to play with them and make a mess. Oh, we got a recipe. Oh, that's new. It's called Highland Fling. It's a gin recipe. If you drink gin, this is for you, and you also get 50% off their gin at the back here. So it's like a voucher and a recipe. You guys can try it out this summer if you want to have a little, you know, summer fun. But I really enjoyed this box. There's a few things in there I definitely can't wait to try out, and I'm definitely going to be doing a giveaway of a lot of the stuff from my Birchbox that I do not use. So look out for my skincare and makeup giveaway coming soon. And also make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you guys would like to see any more of these kind of videos, because I really love Birchbox and I think I'm going to keep subscribing for now, but I want to do other boxes. So let me know what you guys think. I do ASOS box now and again, but I want to do something maybe like glossy box, or I don't know, maybe a feminine box, beauty box, I don't know. But let me know what you think, guys. Thanks so much for watching. This box is very reasonable and I think it's worth the price. So yeah, I love the fact that there's 3 full-size products in here this month, and I can't wait to try them out. But in the meantime, I hope you enjoy your box if you do have a box. If not, go ahead and check out Birchbox website. You definitely find something that you will like. If you don't want to get the box, you can get it for somebody's gift or as a gift, or you can just buy separate products on their own. You don't have to get to the whole box, okay? But thank you guys for watching, I really love this summer box, and I can't wait to see what they have next month, because I think they do have a benefit product. Am I wrong? Can't remember. But yeah, I'll see you guys next month for another Birchbox unboxing. Bye guys.